If you own a Can-Am Spyder F3 Limited or RT Limited and want a better way to organize your rear trunk, we have the perfect solution. Introducing the EvolutionR Rear Trunk Organizer. Designed specifically for the factory rear trunk, this organizer adds 3 dedicated storage pockets to help keep your everyday essentials organized and within easy reach instead of sliding around or getting buried beneath your gear. The organizer features 2 mesh pockets with elastic retention bands for frequently used items, along with a concealed pocket that's perfect for keeping smaller valuables tucked away. It's constructed from durable 1680D polyester fabric and mounts securely using a full hook and loop backing that provides maximum adhesion across the entire rear surface. Installation couldn't be easier. First, separate the backside from the organizer. Then clean the surface area with the included alcohol prep pad and allow that to dry. Then use the adhesion promoter on the same surface area and allow that to dry as well. Peel back a small section of the protective film and align the pre-cut backing into position. Press that section firmly into place, then continue removing the protective film while pressing it down until it's fully secured. Now you can mount your new organizer. Once installed, you'll have a cleaner, more organized way to store your smaller everyday items right inside your rear trunk. To pick one up for your Can-Am Spyder, head over to SlingMods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.